out there. We started this morning in the 20s. Tomorrow, we're going to start our day with low temperatures in the 40s. We'll see some rainfall moving across central Indiana this evening. By midnight, some heavier rain is going to move in. We'll see some thunderstorms mixing in with our rainfall right on through the morning hours. These represent high temperatures during the day tomorrow. We'll start the day in the lower 60s and things will start cooling down over the course of the afternoon. We're expecting up to an inch of rain with this next system moving through overnight, and then during the day tomorrow the winds are going to pick up as that low pressure area gets close to us. Up north of Interstate 70, you'll see the wind gusting up around 60 miles per hour, gusting up around 50 miles per hour over the southern part of the state, and that'll lead to some widespread power outages across the state coming up tomorrow afternoon. Over the course of the morning, the rain will end by about 9 o'clock. We'll drop the temperature in the 50s. By noon, we drop the temperature in the 40s. And by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see temperatures in the 30s across Indiana. So things cooling down over the course of the day. Heavy rain and thunderstorms after 1 o'clock in the morning with rising temperatures. Southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour overnight. Then stronger winds tomorrow, gusting up around 50 miles per hour. The rain ends early and temperatures are going to fall. That high wind watch in effect from 7 a.m. on through 7 p.m. In the 7-day forecast, tomorrow's high in the lower 60s. Then we'll spend a couple of days with temperatures in the 30s with flurries late Friday on through early Saturday. We'll get back near 50 with sunshine on Sunday. We'll keep the high temperature near 50 on Monday. Then for Tuesday and Wednesday, highs will be in the 50s and rain is likely on Valentine's Day and also on Wednesday.